2 damn phones, Babylons can't crack the code. Used to sip out styrofoam, but figured I should stick to drugs.
Hi guys, what is going on? And welcome back to another video. And today, this video is going to be on whatever happens in today. Because we haven't got alt planned this weekend. I don't know if you can see, it's pouring down with rain. Said it's going to snow all next week. So, there's not really we can do today. But, yeah. So, I don't know what this video is going to be on.
Distance. I can only cry and smile of your existence. Can't swear down, brother, you was different. Yeah, you was different. And Father, Lord, please hear my cry. You see my grind. You took my friend and never let him say goodbye. It changed me still. Can't sleep the same at night.
As you may know from the title, I have bought another car. And if you didn't know, it was my cousin's old car, but he's saving up for a new one, so he wanted me to buy it off him. So if anybody wants to buy a Corsa, then just let me know. It is pretty similar to my old Corsa, apart from my old Corsa were 5-door, this one's 3. So yeah, it's not my new car. I'm not going to be using it. I'm not going to be driving it. I'm still going to be driving my Reading. But that's just a car that I'm either going to sell or break into pieces for people to buy, obviously. But yeah. Phoebe, come here. Say hello to the camera, Phoebes. Say hello. Give us your paw. Give us your paw. Give us your paw. Go girl. Drop biscuit. Drop biscuit. Go get a biscuit then. Go on then. Go get a biscuit. Go get a biscuit. Oh, biscuit. Sit. Give us your paw. Paw. Good girl. Nicely. So guys, took Faye to Krispy Kreme because she's greedy. She wants donuts. And I'm having to pay with my money again, as I normally do, for everything. So, what donut have you ordered? After we took about 10 minutes to decide which one you wanted.
Can't remember.
You got an orange one.
Orange.
I got a Nutella one. And we've ordered 2 coffees. We're just making them now. Never had a Krispy Kreme before. Not coffee wise.
It's more than £10.
More than £10? You lying? Cheers. It's mad.
I'll buy next week.
Yeah, Chrissy.
No, it's alright.
I used to play 5 change. The drinks just being made.
Cheers, mate. Cheers.
I'll still do that.
That's my Nutella one.
How do you know?
That's orange because I seen it. It's got stars on mine.
Mine's
£7 for all that. I could have got a sick McDonald's for that. Alright, I'll leave them there. Don't be eating them. Alright.
3 hours later.
Yeah, that's it.
Got any sugars?
Please. Can we have 4?
Yeah.
I don't know which one's which.
I think this is yours.
Right.
Cheers. Hey guys, what is going on? And this isn't a new video, this is just the day after, because we didn't really finish the vlog off yesterday and there were not much interest in last night, so I thought that seeing them going to a car meet on Sunday, I'll add this bit into yesterday's video if that makes sense, so there's no boring parts in this video. So yeah, we're going to a car meet. It is the Misfits Collective car meet. We have been going to them quite a bit, but then had one for ages. So Culture Gang is going. If you would like one of these jumpers, then please message the Culture Gang page on Facebook or Instagram. Links will be in the description. Right guys, so that's the meet over. We've now come home. It's 10 o'clock dead on. It's freezing outside. He said it's free, but it feels colder than that. And Faye's just about to go home. So, you enjoyed your weekend, Faye?
Sure, Rhys.
You
Yeah.
enjoyed your weekend?
Yeah.
You always enjoy your weekend?
Yeah. Why'd you have to get that in my face when I got this on?
Say bye, Faye. So yeah, Faye's about to go home, and that's basically the end of these 2-day vlogs. So that's it, guys. See you in the next one.